Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing quickly. Charge the Momcozy S9 to full, clean parts, and fit the right flange so you get a seal. Once done, assemble the cushion and bottle, then power on with the button. You want the LED to indicate ready. Make sure the silicone feels snug. A bad seal reduces vacuum and comfort. This step sets up suction and hygiene, so take it seriously before moving into pumping modes. You begin stimulation to prompt letdown, selecting the gentle pattern and low intensity. This wakes milk flow without discomfort. Once you sense letdown, switch to expression mode and increase intensity one notch at a time. You want efficient flow, not pain. Pay attention to rhythm and adjust speed. A faster cycle can feel different than higher strength. Make sure to use the memory feature to store a successful program, so you repeat what works next time. You finish by powering down, capping the milk, and placing it in the fridge or freezer within recommended time. Then disassemble and wash all detachable parts. Air dry them fully before reassembly. If you encounter low suction, check the flange seal first, inspect and clean the valve and membrane, and confirm the battery is charged. Those 3 fixes resolve most issues. If problems persist, retry with a different flange size or consult support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.